Alan here from RVAcrossAmerica.net, and I love my new kayak. It's an Aquaglide Deschutes 110, and I've had it in the water now. I've only had it for a couple of weeks. I've had it in the water for 12 days so far. It's absolutely great, and you can read more about it. I do a full review at RVAcrossAmerica.net/new kayak. Once again, RVAcrossAmerica.net/new kayak. It's easy to inflate, it's stable, it's comfortable, it's lightweight, it's about 20 pounds when fully assembled, and it's easy to get to the water and back. What more can I say? I love it. So I'm going to sail away for you right now, and I encourage you to go over to the post, RVAcrossAmerica.net/new kayak. The top half of the post is about Vernal, Utah and its lakes. The bottom half of the post is about the Aquaglide kayak. And just for my readers and viewers, I've secured a special deal on any one of the Aquaglide kayaks if you're interested after you read my review. I know you're going to want one because I read some great reviews and I wanted one too. And I did my homework, I did my research. I've had problems with inflatables before. I tell you about that in my post. And these guys are different. They're not using an inner tube. They're not using a bladder. The construction on the outside is Duratex. It's much like the same stuff, or it might be exactly the same stuff, as what you find on whitewater rafts. And having whitewatered the Lehigh River in Pennsylvania many, many years ago, I know that those rafts have to sustain a beating. So anyway, Alan here. Let me paddle away and go check out this post at /new kayak. Thank you.